Hello, this is Andy Bauer here at Object Arts again with another introductory video on how to use Aragon 3D. This time I want to look at some of the additional models that are available with the system. So I've closed down the Aragon window we had open before, and let's now load in some additional packages. Choose the package browser and let's install the following packages. If you go to the directory Arteria, choose the cartoon pack and also the Middle East pack. Now let's go to the Psionic directory, choose the Free Models package, go to the Zaknafein directory and choose the Zaknafein package. Okay, now before you use these models you need to read the license documentation which is available in the Aragon 3D directory. It's a PDF file and looks something like this. Basically this just tells you that what license restrictions are applicable to each of the sets of models. Okay, now let's see what we've got here. If I close the package browser and open our Aragon 3D platform, let's see, look at the assets, and you'll see we have a number of new categories available. Let's add a ground plane. Let's try for this time baked earth, and let's go and add a sky. Now you notice in addition to the original sky box we had, which is called Summer Sky, excuse me, we also have the Zaknafein gradient sky. This is actually a rather interesting object which we'll look at later, but let's just drag that across and you'll see you've got a moving sky with clouds which can all be configured from inside the properties inspector. Okay, let's now look at some of the character models we have. If you click on characters, see we have 3 available characters. If we pick up the dwarf model and drop it into our scene, you see that the model is already being animated. And let's also pick up, say, one of the monster models, the beast. Put that here. It's also being animated. Note that you can actually rotate the camera to any of the models just by double clicking on them, and you'll see that the camera actually moves to follow the model. Let's have a look at some of the buildings. If you look at clicking the buildings category, you'll see we have quite a lot of buildings available. These are actually from a company called Arteria, and they supply very reasonably priced model packages. Let's load one of these Middle East buildings, and we can drag it around and reposition it as like so. And I think you'll see that there's quite a few things here, and I'll look at them in a bit more detail in the next video. Let's just place a few more perhaps of these buildings. Okay, that should be enough to whet your appetite for the moment, and we'll move a bit further on with this in the next video.